Prost.
The same thing. Somebody have 5 minutes.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now, today I'm bringing you something special, something different from what I'm used to sharing. Very fast one. It's not something we want to cook and cook and cook. So today I am making a very special breakfast for my family. Not very special breakfast, but the little things I have at home, I decide to just put everything together and just present to them because we never had this opportunity of sitting down together and make breakfast. And guys, holiday is coming. This is something very special. So imagine your kids or family waking up to the table and everywhere is full of special breakfast. So without wasting much of your time, come and let's do this together. Let's put some things together and make something very special out of it. You want to make a breakfast, but you don't know how to put them together, how to create something special from what you have at home. Now, watch me. This is everything I have at home. I didn't buy anything, but we are going to make something special out of this. First, I have my kiwi, burrata, which is soft cheese. I have egg, tangerine, grapefruit, sliced cheese, scotch herbs, and pumpkin. Okay. The avocado didn't work because it was all spoiled. Here I have cut my pumpkin and I will roast this or grill this at 180-degree C for 20 to 25 minutes. If you haven't seen my video on how to season your pumpkin, I will leave a link up here. Please check it out or in the description box, okay? Imagine you want to have a displayed plate just like this. You want to go for any cut cheese or cut ends of your choice. Even if you have whole food cheese, you can cut them yourself and display in a very nice way on the plate. I love to display some greens here, but I have none like cucumber or green bell peppers, but there's none. So what I did was just go for some chives, fresh chives, and that's all. Look at the split, guys. It looks so cute and so appetizing. The cut ends, the cheese, everything is so good looking. This one is my all-time go-to fresh cheese. I love it so much. Burrata is one of my favorite. You can have it for breakfast, dinner, or lunch. Now I will give it a cut. I should have some tomato on this plate, but none. So I also have my fresh rolled cheese ball in bacon. Okay, I will top it all with some basil and set aside. Now there's always vegetable or fruit at home. Whatever vegetable you have, banana, you could also go for broccoli. All you need to do is just blanch it. You could go for carrots. You could go for garbage salad. Whatever fruit or vegetable you just want to plate. So I am going for what's it called, tangerine, for grapefruit, for I'm going for kiwi and roasted pumpkin. Now, if you haven't seen how I roast my pumpkin, how I season it, I will leave a link up here. I say again, it's just very fast and very delicious. And this is all I have for fruits today. Okay, you could go for any kind of your fruit or vegetable. Majority won the vote. Hubby and daughter wanted to have soft boiled egg. I would have loved to go for sunny side egg, but now let's make us soft boiled egg. So just 7 minutes, okay, because they are big egg. If not, 4 to 5 minutes for normal egg is just perfect. Now I will do this, cover it up and let it cook for 6 to 7 minutes, and that's all. There is no breakfast without bread. Now you want to go for your family's favorite bread. This is our favorite here. Some corn whole grilled bread rolls. It looks mini but very cute and delicious. So you will set that aside for now. Now when the tea comes in, it shows that our breakfast is almost good to go. So Obi made his coffee already. Sorry, I didn't show that. So I'm a tea lover. Okay, so I'll make my tea. I'm going for blueberry tea. Just do that and set aside. Also, our soft boiled egg is ready. So I will also set that aside. To be honest with you, imagine having your sect breakfast at home, not sect, sparkling wine breakfast at home. Okay, being in a midst of colleagues and friends who love to eat outside, who love to go out to have breakfast. I love to do that too, but very rare because it's expensive. And sometimes I'm never satisfied because, my own idea is different. Now, taking your time to make your own breakfast at home will save you money. In German, we call it Sekt Frühstück. Okay, for each person, that would take you about 20 to 25 euro for a person to have your sect breakfast. Now, I decided to make my at home, my sparkling wine breakfast, and everybody was so satisfied, was so happy. It was so much, there was so much fun on that table. This is what it takes to what good breakfast is all about. Okay, the little time and little idea to put things together, things you have at home. It doesn't cost much. It mustn't be extravagant breakfast. Just that time gives you a perfect and a very good breakfast for you and your family. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video to this time and you are ready to spoil your family in the next weekend. Thank you all so much. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your opinion in the comment section and also share my video with your loved ones. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.